Hello everyone on the planet. Today we're diving into the fascinating process of configuring a remote control for the Elba Island. Are you prepared? Then let's embark on this exciting journey without further ado. Let's see the steps to pair a remote control to Elba. As we can see, if I press here now on the start, it doesn't do anything good. We are going to place the first thing, the power switch. We are going to place this one above. Okay, as we see, I repeat, the remote doesn't work, it doesn't do anything. Why? Because it's not paired. To pair it, we press here for 5 seconds at the same time as you press the remote control. Okay? That is, we press here and there, it starts, the remote control is already there, paired, okay, here we stop. We can stop now and we can start now, okay. This way I now have two controllers, okay, and I have one pair and the other one doesn't run out of batteries. I want to match the next one, so I do the same thing. I go here, I press here. It's okay on the little button on the east where it says OPD, okay? I just press for 5 seconds at the same time as I press the remote control. Okay, it's already paired, it works that way. I already have two paired controls. Is worth both. For what? So that one person has one and another person doesn't have another? Well, okay, that's how the remotes are paired. More information in energy.yes. If you remember, it is forbidden to stop learning.